I wanted to be a designer. I knew like within my heart that's something I really wanted to do.
I wanted to go to an accredited program that I knew I could get a master's in.
I saw that there are a lot of alumni from this school worked in the game industry.
Academy of Art had everything all in one package.
Going to an incredible school that was right in the heart of where I wanted to be, it was a no-brainer.
I've enjoyed my classes, meeting my classmates and working together.
You have to learn through doing it. The Academy provided us with the tools.
It really opens like a lot of perspectives.
The teachers are so friendly. It doesn't feel like the normal teacher that you had in high school.
I'm learning a lot about art direction, copywriting.
And also learn a lot of like professional term in English.
I came in with no understanding of 3D animation.
They are so fast at integrating emerging technology.
No matter what question I have, I've always had professors who were extremely quick to answer.
They provide a lot when it comes to feedback.
They work in the industry. They have a passion for what they do and helping students tell the stories that they want to tell.
It just felt like breaking through a ceiling of possibilities.
It lets people like me with no background in art a chance.
I have no regrets. It's one of the best experiences I've ever had.
They just want to see you succeed, and that feeling is really, really, really good and really important.
It doesn't end with the academy. It starts with the academy.